Welcome, and thank you for joining this healing meditation. In this session, you will experience a profound connection with the pure, loving energy of the universe. Take a few moments to relax, quiet your mind, and embark on this journey of inner discovery where peace and healing are ever present. Find a quiet place where you can sit or lie comfortably. The time of day doesn't matter. What's important is that you can fully focus on your breathing. Inhale slowly through your nose, counting to 3, and exhale gently through your mouth, counting to 4. Each time you breathe in, imagine you are inhaling a beautiful, shimmering white light, bringing peace and healing into your body. As you exhale, release any worries or fears you may have. Close your eyes and feel each breath guiding you away from negativity, transporting you into a peaceful, energizing space. This is your sacred place for healing. Now, imagine a luminous white staircase in front of you. You take a step towards it, feeling the coolness of the stone beneath your feet, your hand sliding effortlessly along the railing. Each step takes you deeper into a state of relaxation and calm. After a short while, you reach the bottom of the stairs and step onto soft, smooth grass. The scene around you resembles an enchanted forest with tall trees, wide leaves, and a bright sky. You breathe in the fresh air, feeling the serenity of nature as if you are in a sacred temple. Ahead of you, there is a brilliant globe of light. You step towards it, unafraid. As you enter the light, you feel a warm embrace of loving and healing energy from the universe. Stars begin to drift around you. Galaxies whirl by as you watch the magnificent cosmic display. You reach out your hand, feeling the gentle touch of the stars. Colors start to dance around you, each carrying its unique healing power. White light dissolves negativity, red infuses you with vitality, green calms your tension, and yellow brings peace to your mind. Each color washes through your body, balancing and healing every part of you. As they fade away, you feel a deep sense of peace, strength, and love from the universe filling your being. You now find yourself back on the path, carrying the healing and peace with you. Slowly, you ascend the staircase, returning to your physical body, but still holding onto the positive energy you've received. When you open your eyes, know that this healing energy and peace are always within you, and you can return to this place of light whenever you wish. Thank you for joining this meditation. If you found it helpful, feel free to share it with your loved ones. We look forward to guiding you in future sessions. Please subscribe to the channel for more quality meditations